Hey and welcome back to another Morning Dew JORNA video. I'm Mattias and in today's clip we're going to look at how to install Morning Dew JORNA and also how to install the factory content pack after you purchased JORNA. Let's take the tour. Right, so all our products, courses, softwares are published and distributed through Morning Dew Media education platform. So the first thing you're going to do to download the JORNA plugin is to log in to your account at Morning Dew Media education and go to My Profile. Go to Downloads, the Download tab, and you'll find the download latest version. Currently at version 1.0, and check so you downloaded the correct version for your platform, either Mac or Windows. Below the download latest version you also have your license card, and you're gonna need that to unlock JORNA for the full version. So we're gonna go ahead here and download the license card. Just gonna put it in my downloads folder, and I'll also download the latest version here for the Mac. Okay, so I have the Morning Dew JORNA zip file on my disk, and I'm gonna extract the zip file. So we get the folders containing the Morning Dew JORNA factory Morn pack, which is the factory content that comes with Morning Dew JORNA, and we also have the package file, which is the install file for macOS. And you're obviously gonna find the installer for Windows if you downloaded the Windows installer. So next we're gonna double click the installer file. Right, so this Mac installer will install the VST3 plugin, the AU plugin, and also the Clap plugin. And also included is the wavetables. That's enough for a wavetable synthesis out of the box. Then later when we have installed the plugin, we're gonna go ahead and install the factory samples, multi-sample instruments, and all the other factory content, the big file. We're gonna install that directly inside JORNA. And all those samples are contained within the Morning Dew JORNA factory.morn pack. So we're going to continue and just accept, agree, continue, install, and enter any passwords. Okay, so with the plugins installed, we're going to boot up our DAW, and I'm using Bitwig Studio today to demo. And we're going to press the plus sign here to add the plugin. We're gonna just search for JORNA, and I'm gonna add the Clap version. As I mentioned earlier, there's a VST3 Clap and also the AU, which is gonna be used with Logic Pro. But we're gonna use the Clap version. Right, so as you can see, we're in the demo version of JORNA, 10 days trial. We always leave a 10-day free trial for the JORNA plugin. So next up we're gonna install our license card. And you can always see if you're in demo mode with this little green text at the top here. So we're gonna go to the settings in the top right corner and go to license and enter license. And this is the license dialog where we can either drop the license card or we can press this import license card to select the card from disk, but I'm gonna use the drag and drop. So I'm going to drag the file from my downloads into this dialog, and that will effectively unlock JORNA. So we can see that the green text, the demo mode, is gone. Okay, so there we have the JORNA UI. We have the synth page, we have the effect page, performance page, and the browser. And as you can see, the browser is currently empty here, so we need to install the factory content pack. So we're gonna go to the main menu, the settings here, and we're gonna select content packs. Gonna move over here so you can see the main menu, content packs, and install content pack. Now we just have to select the Morning Dew JORNA factory.morn pack file from our downloaded zip folder and press install. Pack installed, and they have 594 files installed into JORNA. And this time if you go to the performance page, you're gonna see all the different presets. Let's first listen to the string koto pad. If you're wondering what kind of sounds or what kind of layers you have in the patch, you can always just go to the synth page. We can see on oscillator A we have a sample, that's the cello. Oscillator B we have a granular patch, also with the cello. And then we also have the physical modeling plug engine in use here with the string engine and a harp. To make this beautiful, lush, koto-like sound. There's also an alternative version called just koto, which doesn't feature that granular layers. So having that extra plug layer with the physical modeling really gives you this extra, more organic layer to your sounds. Here's a cool patch, pad beating grains. Okay, so let's try some leads here, lead steppy-wise. A lead sound, Sunset Drifter. Hero Brian. Next we have guitar, model guitar, which is using the physical modeling engine of JORNA. You go to the plug oscillator and select model and struck string. You can see there's different models within the model. frozen radio, which is one of the soundscapes. Some really fun effects on this one. There's some tube distortion, also using the decimator effect. You can see there's a whole bunch of effects that comes with JORNA. And you also have these band splitters if you want to make more intricate effects and split the bands and mid-sign splits and stuff like that. Let's continue looking at the presets. A violin bow. So you can hear this sound is a little bit like a grid in the background. It's looping the sound. It's just a single sample, a violin bow. I sampled myself, and then we're just looping a reading of the sound here. So if you sustain the notes, you're gonna hear that. And most of the patches here in the factory pack comes prepared with all the macros attached to different various parameters in the effects and in the plugin. So you can instantly start fiddling with the macros here to create cool sounds. Distant Galaxies, a synth patch, Meridian. Octave Stack. Next up here we have a steel string acoustic guitar. This is sampled from my Segal acoustic steel string. And if we go to the synth page, we can see that there's a whole bunch of samples for this guitar. You have basically 3 different velocity layers. You have this really soft, and then the more aggressive velocity. Let's add some reverb. You can see all the different reverb algorithms we have. This is using the Hall 2. The cloud. Okay, so that's a quick introduction to JORNA sound pack and also how you install everything to get going with the JORNA hybrid synth. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Mattias. Bye.